Yo, what up, guys? It's your boy Johnny Craves. Today we're gonna be eating some chicken sandwiches. All right, let's eat, man. It's hot in here. I'm sweating like a pig. I'm gonna put some barbecue sauce on these because I'm hungry. Did a nice little workout today, and so I earned it. I earned this post-workout recovery meal. Smother that with barbecue sauce. Bam, dude, look at that. Damn. That looks so good. Hope you guys are having a good day. Today is actually, I'm filming this on Super Bowl Sunday. So we got the Patriots against the Seahawks. And, you know, my team is not in it, unfortunately. So, you know, what can we do? Not like they were ever going to be in it. Not like it was a high chance or anything. Let's make sure we can... Got these sandwiches here. Man, why am I sweating so much? God damn. What the heck? Okay, calm down. I know the spotlight is too much for you, Johnny, but we gotta calm down. So let me calm myself down here. I'm a little too excited. A few hours from the Super Bowl, so I figure I eat myself a nice big meal. I don't like eating at people's houses, man. It's just not my thing. You never know what kind of energies they got, you know, that they're transferred to you through the food. As I eat food that comes from a big corporation, right? That is really good. Real crunchy. This is fresh out the air fryer. So put some of that Sweet Baby Ray's. I mean, I'm not like, it's not like a preference or anything, but it does taste pretty good. Come on out. Come on out of there. Don't be shy. Don't be shy. Well, since this video is going to come out after the Super Bowl, man, what a game. What a game it was. Seahawks, man, they whooped on them Patriots, man. Sam Darnold, you know, he threw like 2 picks, but he like he composed himself in the second half. And man, that was a really good game, man. So, really good game, Seahawks. Congratulations. I think they finally beat the Patriots in the Super Bowl. They faced them twice before, hadn't got it done, and now they got it done. This thing is so crunchy. The bread's falling apart though. Not a big fan of that. It's steaming hot, guys. It's hot. little bit more of that barbecue sauce on there. Mmm. 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 It is really good. Mm-mm-mm. Maybe I could have waited a little bit. It's so hot. Mm. Real crunchy, man. Real crunchy. All right, we got to put some more sauce on this thing because they don't got enough. It needs more. It could always have more. Mmm. Mm-mm-mm. Man, this is really good, man. I was gonna put some of that like Chick-fil-A sauce on there, but it expired like a few months ago. So I guess we won't be doing that. Better just throw that away. Mm. Yo, I just remembered, like, so I was watching like the pregame show, and Rodney Harrison, man, he went in on Coach, I forgot the name of the Coach Dungy, because Coach Dungy is on the committee that votes for the Hall of Famers, and so I guess Coach Dungy explained how it's possible that Bill Belichick and the owner Robert Kraft didn't get into the Hall of Fame. Mm. I don't know. Did you guys watch it? Because Rodney was mad. He pretty much confronted his co-host there, Coach Dungy, on TV, pretty much saying like it's kind of a travesty that Coach Belichick is not in the Hall of Fame. I don't, at first when I heard it, I was shocked. I'm like, that's crazy. But then I remembered all the cheating stuff that they did back in the days with the Patriots, the Spygate, Deflategate, all that stuff, and yeah, man, make them wait, man. Make Brady wait too. That'd be good to see. Mm. Freaking Rodney Harrison, how come you didn't, when you were scolding Coach Dungy, how come you didn't bring up Deflategate or Spygate or all the massages and stuff? You didn't bring that up. That was good, man. I need some water. But yeah, man. Football season is over. Gotta find something else to do with my Sundays. Hits the spot, man. I don't know what I'm gonna do with my Sundays. Actually, yeah, I do. I'm gonna get into jiu-jitsu. Brazilian jiu-jitsu, bro. We're gonna get into that. And that's how I will spend my Sundays from now on. Have I drank any water yet? I don't think I have. Oh, that's so good. Oh, man. Try to finish this sandwich, man. Look at that. Let me show you guys this sandwich here. Real crunchy, real juicy, barbecue sauce, mayonnaise. What more can we ask for? You can't ask for more than that, guys. Come on. This hits the spot, man. I'm gonna be so full. Oof. Still hot. I'm getting so full. It was worth it though. Man. Pre-game meal. Chicken sandwiches with barbecue sauce. Really good, man. I'm full, guys. So good. Well, that's going to do it for this one, guys. Thank you guys for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next one. Hey!